Stop paying for every token. What if you could run Google's most powerful multimodal AI locally on your laptop? After this tutorial, you'll be able to set up Gemma 412B on your consumer laptop, unlock multimodal and agentic workflows, and build powerful AI applications without cloud dependencies or per token costs. The problem, why this matters. Cloud LLM costs and data privacy concerns are growing problems for power users. Most people don't realize the potential of running powerful AI models directly on their own hardware. Gemma 412B offers high-performance multimodal AI with agentic capabilities, all on device, democratizing AI access. Getting set up. Install the LiteRTLM CLI, open-source tool from Google AI Edge GitHub. Download the Gemma 412B model checkpoint and place it in the designated directory. Run literlm serve command to start your local LLM server. Ensure your laptop has at least 16 GB RAM. Core technique step by step. Step 1. Construct a multimodal prompt, e.g., analyze this image and write Python code to visualize the data. Step 2. Send the prompt via API to your local Gemma 412B server running via LiteRTLM. Step 3. Receive and review the generated Python code for data visualization or other tasks. Key variable to adjust. Experiment with prompt phrasing and image context for optimal multimodal understanding and code generation. Advanced tips and variations. Integrate your local Gemma 412B endpoint with other tools like OpenClaw, Hermes, or Aider for enhanced agentic workflows. Use the generated code to perform local data analysis or create dynamic visualizations directly on your machine. Combine Gemma's capabilities with local file access for sensitive data processing without uploading to the cloud. Real-world results. Concrete example. Gemma generating and executing Python code to analyze a local CSV and produce an interactive chart. Avoided cloud API costs and hours of manual coding or data analysis. Use cases: automated report generation, localized code development, secure data analysis, and personalized AI agents for viewers to try today. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.